Hey faithful people, it's your girl ChristeleByBethsey and welcome to my dorm room. So today's a different kind of video. I'll be showing you a tour of my college dorm room. I go to Fairleigh Dickinson University over in Teaneck. So I'll be showing you what my living quarters look like, but only to inspire you to use what God has given you to glorify Him. And I'm going to still read a scripture, and the scripture is in Ecclesiastes. And Ecclesiastes, we're going to be reading just verse 1 of chapter 5. So it says, "As you enter the house of God, keep your ears open and your mouth shut. It is evil to make mindless offerings to God." And the reason I chose this verse is because my room, I had decided early on my senior year that my room was going to be an offering to God. It was going to be turned into a sanctuary. I didn't have any rocks, stones, wood, whatever Isaac had to build altars. I didn't have that. All I had was this here dorm that I was given to live in as I went to school. And so I decided early on that I wanted to turn it into a house of worship. I have my roommate's side, which I won't be showing you, but my roommate lives here. There's two beds in this room, so I'll be cutting off some parts because I don't want to, invade her privacy. But we have to be able to be bold in our worship. We have to be bold in our faith. They shouldn't have to dig deep to see who we are and what we believe. Somebody can just step into my room, my dorm, and know who I am and know who I represent and know who I love, who my heart belongs to. I feel that every young faithful person devoted to a life of following Christ should be bold in this. And that's why I'm showing you my dorm. It's just inspiration. And I'm not saying this is the guidelines at all. Go above and beyond. Do you. Trust God with your heart and ask Him for ideas, because that's what I had to do. I had to pray. And I did a lot of things by hand. I did a lot of cutting and chopping and pasting and gluing and things on the wall. Actually, I didn't glue on the wall. That would be illegal. I taped a lot, and I used a little thumbtack sticky things. But yeah, so I just want to show you what God has given me, how I used it to the best of my ability to glorify Him. And I hope you are inspired. I hope you like this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment is the most important to me out of all those things, because I really want to get to know you so I can do more prayer wise. I want to be able to pray for you. I don't know a lot of the things that you're going through. You don't share a lot with me, but it's okay. It's okay. I'll wait. But yes, I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll get right into it. Okay, so this is what my dorm looks like outside. I live in the courts, and we need our ID to open up the door, of course, for safety. So this is the common area, the suite area I share with the whole building, the kitchen that we share, the refrigerator, and our bathroom. This is the bathroom for the first floor. There's 2 bathrooms on the second floor, but there's only 3 of us on the first floor. So yeah, I just made it quick because this is not really important. Clearly, we need a bathroom. Okay, so welcome to mi casa. This is what my dorm looks like. It's pretty bright. I like colorful, but this year's theme was way more free than usual. Queen, but not really. Just queen of me, not queen of you, promise. All of these things I had to cut out, so I did a few origami butterflies. I cut out the words for queen. I also taped them up there. That painting that you see, I did that with one of my RAs. It was a fun activity he had for us. And also I have this painting that I did at one of the school events. So this is my walls of inspiration. These are next to both of my mirrors. And I've had these little plaques that my family wrote on since sophomore year. So here's my bed. Not much to it, pillows and a blanket. This is a curtain that I made. I cut off those little things and pinned them on to the curtain. Yes, I can open it to cover up the bed, but I barely do because I like it the way it is. It's super cute. I have my bear, Colombier bear, special bear, and my nightstand. So my Bible is there, my alarm clock, and very little else. I always make sure to, have my Bible close to me at hand. Of course, it's in my phone too, but having it right here with my pens and my markers always inspires me. My alarm clock, which if I didn't have, I don't know what the days would look like. And I have my hair products and this bottom drawer, which is just, mostly just water, oil, eco. And I already put you on this. If you watch my snaps, then you already know about that oil. Okay, and that is all for the bed, really. I have some paintings that I got from AliExpress, and up at the top I have these glow-in-the-dark stars, which are really cute at night. Really fun to look at. I don't really use my TV at all. I used to use the HDMI, but I don't anymore. So my desk, which contains all of my journals. I love journals, and this is not all. Most of my journals are at home. I have my prayer journal. That one is my dream journal here, and I have my prayer journal, which says "Girl Power" on it. Super cute. And I also have my poetry journal, which I write my poems in, my spoken words in here. Be free. And I mix in my school book, the books that I read for school, and the books that I just read for fun, like this one here. Angry Black Girl. I feel like whoever wants to read it next, I'll pass it on to you. It's a really good book. Okay, so my desk, I like to read these fruits of the spirit often. If I feel like I'm missing something, I remind myself that it's already inside of me. My watches and pretty things, just really small things. That's from my little sister's Sweet 16. And just little things, jewelry. I have my secret stash in my green bin. I got shades in my pink one, and I don't even know what's in the blue one. These are my reminders, but I don't really need them, but they're cute. I like Post-its. Pretty straightforward. And my checklist, which I honestly don't really fill out, but it's fun to look at. But I am true to it, even though I don't fill it out. Okay, so again with the Post-its, I love Post-its, and this time I use them to write down verses. Each one of these has a verse that deals with the word love, and I use them to spell out the word love on the wall. A picture of my mom and dad, my mom's selfie up there. My uncle painted that picture of me. And this is like my small kitchen area, so I have some medications, my vitamins that I take. I take biotin and calcium. I have my honey, which I usually drink with lemon if my throat feels yucky, and some Dayquil, because I need that. I also have water. This is like a mini kitchen area, so everything I need to make tea. I have a bin here with separate drawers for little things. I have my drawer of bags, plastic bags, and I have some seasoning, so when I'm cooking, I have that there. My drawer of noodles and snacks. So I have a lot of fruit snacks and candy. and I like noodles because they're quick to make, and as long as you season it well, they'll be good. So I also have a fridge, which I don't have full a lot of the times, but today's a good day. And yeah, thank God for that fridge. It comes in handy. My drawers, which I'm going to show you a few of them because I just want to inspire you to keep your room clean. Young people, it's so important, like so important to clean up after yourself. When you put your drawers, when you put your clothes in your drawers a specific way, it makes you want to keep it like that. So I roll my things up. I roll everything so that it can fit more in the drawer. I have separate sections so I know what goes where when I'm looking for it. I don't have to mess up my whole room to find an outfit. And these are my shirts, mostly my crop tops at the top and tank tops at the bottom, t-shirts and tanks at the bottom. So I separate it like that so I know what I'm looking for. And it makes it life way, way, way easier. That's really all they give you to put your clothes, that and the closet. Okay, so this is my favorite part of the room. This is my poetry wall. So I picked out some of my favorite poets who work. Yes, J. Cole counts as one of my favorite poets, and also Meek Mill. And I have my own poetry up here. Some of my favorites, some of the ones I worked hard on, did a couple drafts on, and pasted it on the wall. I love this. This is my favorite part. Best for last. And clearly it's on the closet door. So when you open up the closet, you see my little studio. If you don't know what this is, you don't watch enough of my videos. Literally, I DIY that background so I can have a place to record. And it's in my closet. I have my bathing things up there, my shoes, and it's a normal closet, so it's pretty packed. I separate my clothes on the side, but mainly I use this closet for recording. My background, I have little things that I thought were cute to put in the background, some books that you guys should read. And honestly, like I said, if you want to borrow it, let me know. Like, I have books that I've already read. So yeah. Okay, so that was the end of the tour. I hope you all were inspired. I hope you liked the video and continue to be bold about representing Christ. I love you all so, so, so much, and stay blessed.